Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here because today I have a wonderful, delicious, very easy pumpkin bread recipe, and I cannot wait to share it. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'm going to be taking this delicious pumpkin bread to my daughter's house. My daughter and son-in-law just had a baby, a wonderful baby girl, and we are super excited about it. I'm taking some food over to cook and bake while she's home, and I'm also going to take some wonderful pumpkin bread and some delicious pumpkin snickerdoodle cookies. That's in a different video, and it's already out. I'm going to get busy putting together this wonderful pumpkin bread. It is so easy, and it doesn't take that many ingredients at all. I have a half a cup of butter here softened, and I'm going to add in 2 eggs. Now I'm going to add in some pumpkin. Now this pumpkin is about the equivalent of 2 bananas because you can easily convert this recipe and make it into banana bread. I'm going to be using pumpkin today, but if you want, you could just add a couple of bananas in and make it into banana bread. So just estimate about how much 2 bananas would be and then add that much pumpkin. I'm going to go ahead and just quickly mix up the wet ingredients just until they're combined. Now I'm going to add in the brown sugar. I have 3/4 cup of brown sugar. I've added in our salt, and now I'm going to add in a teaspoon of baking soda. I have 2 cups of flour, and I'm going to gradually add the flour in while I'm mixing. Now that our pumpkin bread is all mixed up, I have about a half a cup of chocolate chips, and I put in a little bit of flour. I'm going to stir the flour in because this flour will stick to the chocolate chips, as you can see, and when I mix it in, it will keep the chocolate chips from sinking to the bottom. So I'll pour these in, flour and all, and then I'm just going to fold them in. Just go down through the middle and take your spatula and just keep turning and just lightly fold them in. This way it'll keep them all in place. Mix evenly throughout the dough. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees, and I'm going to put this pumpkin bread in a sprayed loaf pan. It's a beautiful fall day, but the sun sure is coming in my skylight above my kitchen sink. Our oven is ready, and I'm going to put this pumpkin bread in and bake it for 55 to 60 minutes. And here is our wonderful, easy pumpkin bread. It just came out of the oven. It looks so beautiful and smells absolutely amazing. My daughter and son-in-law are going to be so excited when I bring this wonderful, delicious chocolate chip pumpkin bread to their house when I go to visit them and their brand new baby girl. This pumpkin bread turned out wonderful and delicious, as it always does. It has such a just delightful texture, and it always smells so good and tasty right out of the oven. I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. And don't forget, the recipe is listed below so that you can easily make this delicious, easy pumpkin bread yourself.